So guys, let's talk about your CV today. I know there are a number of people who have been sending their CVs all over. You send to 10 companies in a day, several in a month, and you never hear from anyone. Maybe the reason is that your CV is not formatted correctly. It is lacking the necessary information. So today I'm listing for you like 5 reasons why probably your CV you never hear from the company you've sent your CVs to. I'll start with number 1, which is spelling and grammar errors. There are people who make careless spelling and grammar mistakes, and this can create a negative impression and indicate lack of attention to detail for you as a job seeker. Number 2 is including irrelevant information on your CV. Make sure that you tailor your CV to the specific job you are applying to. Don't include unnecessary information, a lot of details that are not relevant to the job that you are applying for. Lack of customization. There are people who submit a generic CV to every job they see online. Make sure to tailor-make your CV next time you're applying for a different job, and maybe focus more on the specific details of the job that is being advertised. The job description, make sure that your CV aligns with what the company requires. Mention something to do with what the company listed that they need. Number 4 is poor formatting and organization. There are people who have cluttered their CVs and they're poorly formatted. It gives the person reading trying to struggle looking out for information on your CV. Make sure that your information is clear and concise and well formatted. And number 5, omitting measurable achievements. For people who have done some little work, they have some little experience, do not tell us about your job responsibilities in your previous job. Tell us what you achieved, at least 2-3 sentences mentioning what you achieved. In most cases, I usually advise people not to mention the job description of what they were doing, or rather mention what they did as per the job description. For example, if your work was to organize budgets, tell us how many budgets you organized or you prepared for the company. Hopefully, after watching this, you will be formatting your CV in the correct way. You will be including the relevant information, and you will be getting your next job soon.